He's late. Bro, lama bro. Welcome bro. So that's your seat. So who doesn't know him? Bro Palarae. He's a regional actor and director.
Hello, I'm sorry I'm late.
And cut it short, quick intro, pixel play, who you are, what do you do? 3 minutes.
Wow, thank you. Well, basically we do
That's
a lot
for
of
being
stuff.
late.
As a company, as a group, we have basically ventures that we look into investment and developing young, exciting companies. And on the other hand, we got Pixel Entertainment, which is I'm the CEO, and we just won Best Film in the recent Malaysian Film Fest.
Yes, I have to congratulate you. Pixel Entertainment is the producer of the movie One to Jaga. Siapa dah tengok? Who has not watched One to Jaga?
So it's now available on Netflix. So
It's all over Netflix now and it's being screened again in TGV for Ringgit Malaysia 5 only from 4th till 10th of April. The awards that we won was, one second, I have it here with me. Where is it? Oh, you want to iterate it? 6 awards out of 8 nominations.
Yeah.
Including Best Movie.
So we were lucky and bestowed with the Best Original Story, Best Screenplay, Best Actor, Best Director, and Best Film. Best Poster too, yeah. So yeah, it was a great year.